To add a text to photos on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we need to go to Gallery, and we want to select the photo on which we want to write something. Press this pen icon at the bottom of the screen in order to edit the photo. Tap on this smiley face at the bottom and switch to text. And now over here you can write anything that you wish to write on the screen, on the photo I mean. We can also make the text bigger or smaller by using this slider on the left side. We also have an alignment, we have the selection of fonts, the color as well, and we can also use something like this, so we have different effects here as well. Alright, and once we are done, also, if you want to, you can make it bigger or smaller by grabbing by one of the corners. You can rotate it as well, and you can move it around. So once you are done with editing, you can press either save in the top right corner or tap on these three dots in the top right corner in order to choose save as copy to keep the original photo as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!